Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the Settings button. And then click on the Sharing and Privacy button. And at the bottom of the section, just click on the Change Password button. So first you have to type a new password, which had to be 10 characters minimum, and then just re-enter the password. And once you're ready, just click on the Change Password button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.